evening, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 5:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, January 20th, 2023. This is not financial advice, it's educational. We're talking about Quant Network. Subscribe, hit the bell, share the video, click the thumbs up. Twitter link is below in the description. Let's move forward. If you have any other cryptos or stocks you want covered on the subsequent videos, I take the recommendations, I check them out. If I like it, I do them. Just add the comment below the video section, and I'll be happy to take a look at it. You have to be on Twitter for that. In the meantime, let's go over to Quant really quickly. Quant US dollar still on a tear, even with a couple of days of dippy doodah. We're still in this channel, and this channel's been going on now since late December, and now we're still on the upward trend. Certainly a reversal here from stagnation over the last few months. Now the key here is the inner strength. Obviously, I'm a big fan of looking at the underlying crypto pairs, inner strength, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I don't really care much about. It's slow, it's sloppy, but it's up, and it's up by 7%. Now, even the Quant to Bitcoin pair, which is the inner strength, is up 2%. Now, when I look at the Bitcoin dominance, which is right here where my mouse is, Bitcoin.D is the dominance. This is the market value of Bitcoin relative to the overall crypto market. Now, Bitcoin dominance is up 1.27%. Now, that means most altcoins out there have sort of shrunk in terms of their inner strength. However, Quant's inner strength has actually gone up by 2%, and that's telling. Now, we do have resistance here. It's going to get a little thick at about 153. We'll see if we could hit it and maybe break through it. But if we don't and we come back down, there's always support down here, and it sucks to go down here, but 131 is the area of support. Now, let's go over to the inner strength of Quant. This is the Quant to Bitcoin pair we're looking at now. Now, even with all the turmoil going on in 2022, very few altcoins have had the inner strength of this particular crypto. This crypto has continued to go up from its beginnings back in 18, and it continues to rise. And if I showed you other altcoins, they did not go up. They went down and they're hanging out down there. This one just goes up, and that tells me this is stronger than Bitcoin in terms of its strength. As you can see here, we're double the strength of what Bitcoin is. Quant to Bitcoin, the inner strength of Quant relative to Bitcoin is actually up 2%. Now, Bitcoin dominance as a whole across the crypto market is up 1% relative on a total market share basis. Now, that's very, very key. That tells me the internals of Quant are very, very good. Now, let's go over here and let's zoom in on the Quant to Bitcoin pair or inner strength. And we have a little bit of convergence here. We have a resistance up here at 677. We're at 644. We have support around 626. We get past this, and we can certainly start heading back up, especially on the dollar pair. And that would take us up probably to right about here at 755, and that would be a nice leg up. Now let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's had a nice rally. Bitcoin's at 22.5 right now. Certainly also hitting a couple of areas of resistance. We poked through one so far, which is at 22. We're at 22,585 right now, but we poked right through to the 22,332 resistance area. We have one more to go, and I think if we can get past this area, 22,813, then we could be looking at a next level very soon of anywhere between 28.5 and 31,000. So that's pretty much all I've got right now. But keeping our eye on Quant to U.S. dollar, certainly looking like we're continuing on that channel. Exactly what we would expect from a cryptocurrency as strong as Quant. Take care.